Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage the efficiency dry function in the setup in Bosch Dishwasher Series 4. In the first step, we have to hold the setup button for 3 seconds. Then click on the same button until you see the O0 and your number. The O is a efficiency dry function. If you want to change the value, click on the start button, and the 00 is a turn it off. The 00 it's activated in all the programs. 02 it's activated only in the eco mode. Save your settings by hold the Speed Perfect plus button again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.